All right, for this question, we have f of x, this means it's our function, is equal to 2x plus 1. It says select all the effects on the graph of the function when f of x is multiplied by 3. So this is meaning the entire function is being multiplied by 3. So that's like if I took all of this and I put a 3 on the outside of it. Okay, what would happen if I were to distribute that? It would become 6x plus 3. Okay, so we need to think about, we've got some choices here. It says x-intercept increases or x-intercept decreases. Y-intercept increases, y-intercept decreases. Slope increases, slope decreases. So we need to think about our y equals mx plus b. Okay, m is our slope. B is our y-intercept. So these two things are going to be easy to pick out just from looking at our equations. In this original function, m is 2 and b is 1. So if I look at the m's here, and I look at my m here, m changes to 6. So it says select all the effects of the function when f of x is multiplied by 3. Did our slope increase or decrease? It got bigger, so our slope increases. If I look at my b values, b is 1 here, b is 3 here. B is for y-intercept. I went from 1 to 3. My y-intercept also increased. Okay, now we have to look at x-intercepts. X-intercepts aren't listed here. In order to find an x-intercept means y is 0. Okay, our original function, when we have f of x, that means the same thing as y. So we're going to put a y here. Y is 0. If y is 0, we're going to move the 1 to the other side, and then we're going to divide by 2, and we get that our x-intercept is going to be negative 1/2. With our new function, we're going to make y 0. We're going to move the 3 to the other side, and we're going to divide by 6. And x is still negative 1/2. Our x-intercept doesn't change, so we do not select either of these options. Okay, if there was an option that said our x-intercept remains constant, we would pick that option. Okay, because the x-intercept did not change. Okay, you want to remember that x-intercept means plug in a 0 for y and solve for x. Okay, when you see this select all, there's going to be at least 2 things picked. Okay, it's not going to tell you how many you have to pick, but you got to pick at least 2. It's never going to be just 1.